The ancient Roman world was full of many varied, complex religions and mystery cults, the ancient ancestors of modern secret societies such as Freemasonry. Many of these mystery cults are largely unknown today because their initiates stringently kept their vows of silence. Here are 3 mystery cults, the knowledge of which has penetrated to modern times. The cult of Isis was derived from ancient Egyptian mysteries that were brought to Greece and later to Rome. Initiates of the cult of Isis focused on the afterlife and on attaining the favor of the goddess Isis. Through ritual, members would pass from life to death and death to life, perhaps preparing them for the real afterlife. The cult of Mithras originated in Persia, then made its way to Greece and Rome around the time of Christianity. Focusing on elaborate mysteries and divided into 7 grades of initiations, these members practiced their rituals in underground caves with altars near to sources of running water. Initiates refer to themselves as those united by a handshake and experienced strong bonds of fraternity with each other. The cult of Dionysus was an ancient Greek and Roman mystery cult which focused on altering the consciousness of its members. Initiating both men and women into its mysteries, this ancient organization likewise focused on death and rebirth. Members of the cult of Dionysus worked to obtain liberation from the artificial and constructed. Instead, they sought to return to nature and to natural law. All of these cults and many other long-lost religions are the ancestors of Freemasonry, and their rich symbolism still inspires the craft today.